The first step. AL1604 installation. Remove the belt lock. Remove the screws on both sides of the carriage. Remove the carriage cover. Open the ink tubes. Connect the ink dampers. Install it as shown in the picture. Open the data cable. Insert the printhead according to the label on the data cable. Wrap the connection between the printhead and the data cable with acetate tape. Place the printhead in the fixed position. Take the ink damper bracket. Secure it with 3 screws. Remove the 2 screws. Insert the ink cartridge into the corresponding slot. Secure it with 2 screws. Insert the 4 ink tubes into the corresponding holes. Connect the low ink alarm wire. Insert the ink tubes into the corresponding positions. Open the ink tank cover. Add the corresponding color ink. Use a syringe to suck ink into the ink dampers. Insert them into the corresponding position. Install them as shown in the picture. Move the press plate to the appropriate position. Connect the pendulum probe wire according to the wire markings. Connect with waste ink alarm wire. Loosen the feeding unit knob. Install the printing material and adjust it to the proper position. Tighten the knob. Pass the printing material through the pendulum and pull it up to the printer's printing panel. Press the printing material with the press plate. The second step: software installation. Unzip the file. Double-click the application. Follow the prompts. Software installation completed. The third step: machine adjustment. Open the printer. Clean the nozzle. Print the nozzle check. Check nozzle status. Vertical adjustment. Normal. Incorrect. Loosen the 4 screws around the printhead H3. Turn the right screw in a clockwise direction to the appropriate position. Secure the 4 screws around the printhead. Incorrect. Loosen the 4 screws around the printhead H3. Turn the right screw in a counterclockwise direction to the appropriate position. Secure the 4 screws around the printhead. Nozzle check. Normal, each nozzle is printed right next to the other. Incorrect, there is a gap between the nozzles. Loosen the 4 screws around the printhead H3. Turn both knobs clockwise to the appropriate position. Secure the 4 screws around the printhead. Incorrect, there is overlap between the nozzles. Loosen the 4 screws around the printhead H3. Turn the 2 knobs counterclockwise to the appropriate position. Secure the 4 screws around the printhead. Step adjustment. Normal, the left and right horizontal lines corresponding to 0 overlap perfectly. Incorrect, the left and right horizontal lines corresponding to -2 overlap perfectly. Fill in the -2 and click Calculate. Headspace adjustment horizontal left distance. Normal, the best position for overlap is 0. Incorrect. Headspace adjustment horizontal right distance. Normal, the best position for overlap is 0. Incorrect. Headspace adjustment vertical distance. Normal, the best position for overlap is 0. Incorrect. Bidirectional adjustment. Normal, the best position for overlap is 0. Incorrect, the best position for overlap is -1. Change the value to 12. Calibration completed.